Today we go to the spectacular Multnomah Falls. Please like and subscribe. So we're getting ready to leave Crescent Beach, or Crescent City, California. As you can see, it is cloudy again. Not really that cold. Well, it is actually cold, but we don't have wind right now, so that's the major thing. You can see the flag there. It's not even moving at all. So that actually makes it bearable around here. Got the trunk all packed. This is after, when do we leave? Wednesday, so it's now Thursday. So what, 8 days on the road, and that's packed up. We don't really have any souvenirs. We got a couple shirts in here. Got a Corona disc here. That's all the souvenirs we have. Obviously we have lots of pictures and videos. Now I gotta make the task of putting that all together. So that'll be fun. As I said before, I've made lots of car videos and stuff. Lots of that actually. It's a lot of fun. It takes me a long time to do. So I like to synchronize all the pictures and stuff to the music. YouTube won't be like that, so it'll be more impromptu. But I'm looking forward to it. We've had a good time here at the Early Redwood Lodge. It's been a nice place. Everybody parks underground here under the awning. Cute little place. I don't know how much you can see with the low lighting. It's very spacious actually. The mid-modern or mid-century modern decor. This has been one of the better hotels we stayed at, and now we're doing the 5-hour, 6-hour drive to Portland, so that'll be fun. They're all ready to go. It should be nice and warm out there too. Welcome to Destination Unknown. This is a travel channel that focuses on destinations and activities and the journey to get there. The unknown part are the surprises and the unplanned adventures that come our way. Follow us as we travel locally and around the world. Today's fantastic location is the extremely photogenic Multnomah and Wahkeena Falls just outside of Portland. Let's go. Fifth River. I have no idea what this is here. So I decided to kind of run out in the middle of the road, and there's really no place to walk. It was actually kind of nice. As we leave the coast and are on our way home via Portland, a few thoughts come to mind as I make video number 10 of this road trip. Of the 9 Oregon Coast videos that I've made, Cannon Beach and Seaside are the most watched and also the most popular areas to visit. While that's great in itself, if you've never explored further south, you are definitely missing out. There are 9 lighthouses along the coast. We only went to 2 of them. Plus, there's a bunch of state parks that we did not explore, simply because we chose to do a different destination. Honestly, we just didn't have the time. So if you've been to Canada and Seaside, it's time to explore south. And you can start by watching my other videos. We are at Multnomah Falls. We're here. It is 5:30 on a Thursday. This is all part of the Columbia River Gorge area.
It is gorgeous.
That would be nice. And that's down to that skiing platform that we're there. Quite the view of the Columbia River back there. This gorge. Oh. Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of a way here on the bridge. top. Just over a mile to get up. And the view gets better from up here. There's the bridge down there. Look, a little cave. And that's the view you get when you take a picture out of it. So not only do you come here for the falls, you can come here, you can come and watch the Columbia. And we are lucky, we got a train coming through. I love trains. Getting there. I'll go all the way to the top there. She's gonna pout. Sissy's sick, nauseous.
The bottom pool.
Come up and then maybe throw up on your shoes when I get
No, it's fine. You stay there. I'll go by myself. I'll make memories by myself.
Go. Vamos. Hasta luego.
I would not suggest doing this without some water. It's in the mid 80s right now. I love the heat and I'm kind of like a camel. I can go for a long time without water. It's not very good for your body, but I can do that. We're almost there. One of the last switchbacks, and there are shortcuts here. That says please stay on the trail. Chantel had to sit by the first bench up there because she was not feeling well. And she's a heat lover too, but maybe she didn't hydrate enough today. Anyways, here we are. The relatively small amount of water coming over these falls creates a stunning effect. Today there was a huge traffic jam which prevented us from parking just off the highway here. You can see it is absolutely the best place to park. It's literally right off the highway, and then you come up the ramp here and you're there. Almost walked to it from the other falls. It's just under 1 kilometer from fall to fall. Or you can hike the Falls Loop Trail, which is about 8 kilometers long. It'll take you around 3 hours to complete. And it goes from that side of the road underneath and continues on its merry way. Well, that's it. After staying the night in Portland, it was time to head home. 7 days to get to Crescent City, California, and 2 days to get back home to Canada. Here's the tally. We did 1,700 miles, 2,700 kilometers, 9.5 liters per 100 kilometer, which works out to be 24.5 miles per gallon.